It's currently 1:53. I've got someone waiting outside for me at 1:30, and I'm not ready in the slightest. I thought I was doing alright, but I'm not. So we've got 40 minutes. Okay, so today we are doing the sunrise trek in Mount Batur. So you get picked up quite early because I was still in Canggu, and then you head over to Mount Batur and then hike up.
Yeah, going to go?
Yeah. So you begin the hike on a road going uphill. It's relatively easy. After that you get to like a cabin, and that's where the real trek starts, going up the hill. It's very dark and you can't see pretty much anything, as you can see in the video. Sometimes it can turn into a bit of a scramble as well, so just watch out for that. There we go, so we're off again. You can't see much. It's absolutely pitch black. So far we made it up quite a way, but I think all you can see is a dot really. So we're going to keep going up. It's 1,717 metres, which is actually higher than Ben Nevis UK's tallest mountain at 1,400 something metres. So we've still got a decent bit of elevation going left. Yeah, you can't see nothing. So here we are now at the top of Mount Batur, and you get to enjoy the sunrise. So for breakfast you got like bread, but it's quite sweet bread, and also a boiled egg at the top, but I did see some of the eggs weren't boiled. So from the top you can still see some lava from the 1963 eruption, so that's pretty cool to look at. So on the way down you take a different route. It's a little bit more easier than the actual scramble, but if you are struggling there's also motorbikes that you can take down,
which a few people did do the day I was there.
So that was a sick experience. We hiked up in the dark, you probably didn't see much. Got the sunset, a little bit of food. The food wasn't anything to write home about. And then we went to the hike back down the other side. Great. I've got loads of mud in my shoes, but I'm going back to the hotel now so I can get them all cleaned up. I definitely recommend this experience 110%. Whether you need a guide or not, I'll speak about that after, but yeah, 110% insane experience.
Okay, so apologies for not the really bad camera quality because I'm using the front of my iPhone. I'm actually in Malang editing this video, not in Bali now. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting a guide. I've heard a lot of stories about people who didn't try not to get a guide and then they were made to get a guide there. And my guide, he was super friendly, super helpful, and I'd recommend him. And it's an experience you just must do.